Todd Corsetti here. Today I'm going to make a European skull tree, European skull mount tree, I don't know what you call it, out of a piece of juniper that I got out of the backyard. It's about 6.5 feet long. I've ground the stumps, limbs that come off it, ground them down with the grinder, and I'm going to put a tenon connection at the bottom, and then I'll connect it to the base of the log. Then I'm going to use dowels that go into the brain stem of the European skulls to hold them up. I'm going to make the tenon connection with the hole saw. Tenon connection. Adjusted my adjustable bit to about the size of the tenon connection. So I'm going to test it on a piece of scrap lumber. That's about right. Little type on tube, tap it in there, see how it works. So the dowel will go into the skull all the way down. I drilled a small hole right here. So when it's in there, I can put just a small set screw into the dowel, keep it where I want it. Using a 5/8 inch dowel, kind of angled it to about where I wanted, and then drilled a 5/8 inch hole. So I'm going to glue that. A little bit of glue, type on two. Drill a little hole to put a set screw in the dowel. I was going to put the 3x4 bull elk I got with the recurve, but it's a little too big. I don't think you can put elk on a European skull tree. Javelina skull. I was going to use 1/2 inch, but 5/8 will work. It's a little snug, but you can get it in there. So I'm going to have to glue the jaw on. About straight, level. A little more delicate on the javelina skull. Better be careful. I think it's easier if you put the hole in the skull, put the set screw in the dowel, and then push the dowel in and glue it. I didn't do that on the other two, but we'll try it on this. So I got the, I'd glue the javelina jaw on so it didn't fall off, and then I put that set screw in the dowel that goes into the javelina skull. Got the hole drilled out. Now it's big enough that I can gently push that in there without worrying about damaging the bone. Got the mule deer, antelope, javelina on. Look pretty good. So I used 5/8 inch dowel. 5 to 6 inches long seems to be about right. And I think you could put them in perpendicular. You don't have to put them up or down. I put the mule deer one in slightly angled down, but I don't think so. I think it'd actually be up better to be tilted up just slightly. So perpendicular, and then with that set screw, drill through the bottom of the skull and a set screw into the dowel. Seems to keep it about the right angle, I think would be good for all of them. So I left some room. I can always add more. All I need to do is go get a whitetail, which I've never done. Could put a couple more, and I got some room up top. So I need to get hunting. So I took the juniper log and base, sanded it with the dowel sander. It's 180 and then 220 knock a lot of the loose stuff off. And now I'm going to put a couple coats of polyurethane on it, let it dry overnight, and I'll just, with my hand, rub it down. Tomorrow, if there's any other loose stuff on it, knock that off, then put another coat. It'll be gone, it'll be done. Then just put the skulls back on, ready to roll. We got the European skull tree done, the juniper pole and juniper base out of the backyard, and then the 5/8 inch dowel that costs a couple bucks. I got plenty of room for additional skulls, so I better get out there hunting. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment. Your support of the channel is really appreciated. Thanks.